If you're a local business owner, you already know AI matters. The problem is, most business owners don't need more tools. They don't need more tutorials. And they definitely don't need another week of trying random prompts and hoping something useful happens. What they need is one real system working inside the business. That's what the AI Setup Sprint is for. Right now, most local business owners are stuck in one of three places. First, they feel overwhelmed. Too many tools, too many promises, no clear first step. Second, they haven't actually implemented anything useful. They know AI matters, but nothing in the business is faster, easier, or more profitable because of it. And third, they're still losing time and leads. Slow follow-up, messy intake, repetitive admin, inconsistent communication. That's the real problem. Not that AI doesn't work. It's that nobody helped them install the right first system. And here's the good news. You don't need to automate your whole business overnight. You don't need to become technical. And you don't need 20 different tools fighting for your attention. You need one useful system. One system that saves time. One system that improves follow-up. One system that creates momentum. One system that proves this can actually work in your business. That first win changes everything. Because once one real system is working, the confusion drops. The confidence goes up. And now you know what to build next. That's why I created the AI Setup Sprint for local businesses. This is a practical implementation sprint where we identify the best first AI workflow for your business, set it up, test it, and get it into a usable state fast. Not theory, not fluff, not another course full of ideas you never use. A real working system. Inside the sprint, we start with a bottleneck audit. We look at where time, leads, and momentum are being lost. Then we identify the best first AI opportunity for your business. That could be lead follow-up, client intake, FAQ automation, appointment flow, proposal generation, onboarding, review requests, or another repeatable workflow that's slowing you down. Then we build it, test it, clean it up, and hand it off in a way that actually makes sense. So instead of wondering what AI could maybe do someday, you walk away with something real. The AI Setup Sprint starts at just $1,500. And if you're ready to stop guessing and finally get one real AI system working in your business, this is your next step. You can book the AI Setup Sprint now, or you can apply and ask a question first. But either way, the goal is simple. Stop overthinking. Get one practical win. And build from something real.